Alright, welcome to my channel, and I want to appreciate you for watching my videos, and I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're notified, and help me share my videos to your friends who are technical drawing students and you are watching my video for the first time. Thank you. And what I want to do here is to assemble these two parts together. So these are isometric objects, so we're asked to assemble them. That is to put this one on this one. That's what we want to do. So it's very simple, and you see me the way I'll be doing it. So if you have a JN Green textbook, that is a blue cover textbook, we are on page 167 of the textbook, so you can open it there for you to see the dimensions of the object. So what we are going to do here is to first of all construct this object. This start from here to here, from this point to this point here is 105. So we have this to be, so distance from here to here is 40, from here to here is 30, and from here to here is 10. So distance from here to here is 45, while distance from here to here is 15. This is 15 and this is 15. Okay, so we are going to work this out first. So first of all, work on this. So that's what we want to do first. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line. Okay, so we draw a horizontal line. So I'll just take it from here to here. Then I'm going to draw a line. So from this point, so I will draw a line in this direction. Here also I will draw a line with my 30-degree set square. We draw a line in this direction. Okay, now so the next thing that we are going to do is to take a measurement of 105 millimeters first of all. So we take a measurement of 105 millimeters. So this is 105 millimeters here. Here is 105. So here I'm going to take a measurement of 45 millimeters on this side, 45 millimeters on this side. So this is 45 millimeters. So here I will draw a vertical line at this point. Here I will draw a vertical line here. Here also I will come here and draw a vertical line here. So I'll come to this end here. I will also draw a vertical line like this. So next thing I'm going to do, we have that the thickness from here to here is 25 millimeters. Thickness from here to here is 25 millimeters. So I will take a measurement of 25 millimeters from here. So this is 25. So this 25, I will transfer it. I will transfer it to this side like this, and I will also transfer it to this side. So I transfer it to this side like this. So I will, okay, so also, so from this point I will also take it to this side. Okay, so I will also take this from this point, I will take it to this side. Okay, so with what we have done here, so the next that we are going to do is to bring out this shape here, So as we have here, that distance from this point from here to here is 10 millimeters, and this also, so we also have distance from here to here to be 10. So what we need to do now is that, so we come to this side here, so we are going to take 10 millimeters. So we take 10 millimeters, so this is 10. So this 10 millimeters, I will transfer it to the other side. I will transfer it to the other side. So transfer it here like this. Then I'm going to take 10 from here. So this is 10 millimeters. Okay, so I will also come here and take 10 from this point to this point here. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So at this point I will draw a vertical line down here. Okay, so coming here also I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so at this point here I will also draw a vertical line. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to join these 2 points together. So I'll join these 2 points together to bring out that shape. So I will also join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so coming here also I will join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so if you look at what we have here, so that shape is already out. I mean this shape here. So this shape that we have here is already out. So we have it here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to draw, is to get this distance here, so this hole that we have here is to get it drawn. So we have that distance from here to here is 30 and from here to here is 40. So this hole now, thickness is 15 millimeters. So I'll just take coming here. So from the back here, I will take 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters, and I will come here and take 40 at once. So this is 40 millimeters. Okay, so I'll transfer these 2 points. I'll transfer them to the other side. So this is it. Okay, so I will also transfer this to the other side like this. Okay, so coming here, I will take 15, 15, 15. So here I will come here. So here I will take 15 millimeters, and coming here I will also take 15 millimeters. So that's what I need. So what I need to do now is to transfer this point. So I transfer this point to this side so that we can have that rectangular hole around here. Okay, so so if you look at what we have here, the rectangular hole is already there. So I'm not going to make it thick here because I will not need some part in it. So what I just need to do now is to build this chain on it. So it's to build it, but before that, let me first of all make this object let me make it thick so that we can see what we have here already. So I'll make this a thick line like this. So this will be a thick line from here to here so that we can see what we have already. So I'm not going to make this thick, so but for this one, even I'm not going to make this part thick, so I may not need some things there. So but this one, I'll make it a thick line. So from here to here. Okay, so I will also make this a thick line. Then this will also be a thick line from here to here. This will be a thick line. Okay, so this will be a thick line from here to here, and this will also be a thick line. Okay, so I'll make this also. So this is a thick line. So this line also will also be a thick line from here to here. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so the shape is coming out. So let me make this line a thick line. So what I want to do now is to place the other part on it. So now let's look at what we have here. So I'm not going to draw this part because this part here is entering into this rectangular hole. It's entering to this rectangular, so I don't have to draw that. So what I just need to draw on it is from here up. So what I just need to do here, as we have the distance from here to here is that 45. So what I just need to do is to come onto this point here. So okay, let's see. So the total distance from here to here is 45, which means this part that we have here, so this part here is going to fill the whole of this. So what I just need to do is to draw a vertical line at this point. Here I will draw a vertical line here like this. Okay, so coming to this point also, I will draw a vertical line here, and coming to this point here, I will also draw a vertical line here like this. Okay, so the next that I'm going to do is to so I'll just come here. I'll take a measurement of 45 millimeters up. Then distance from here to here is 15. So from here to here is also this, from here to here is 10, from here to here is 15. But let me start like this. So let me first of all take 45 millimeters up. So 45 millimeters up. This is 45 millimeters. So I will transfer this. So I'll transfer this one. So transfer it to this side like this, and I'll transfer this point so I'll transfer this point, transfer it to this side like this, and I'll also come here and transfer this point to this side. Then I'm going to transfer this point, transfer it to the other side. So you can see what I've built there. So all I need to do now is to bring out that shape. So we are going to take 15 millimeters from this point as we have here. Let me bring it. So this is 15 millimeters. So let's first of all bring this out. So this is 15 millimeters from here to here, 15 millimeters down here, and from here to here is 25. So first of all, take 15 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters here. So I will transfer. So I'll transfer this 15 millimeters. So transfer it to the other side. I'll transfer it to the other side like this. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point down. Vertical line from this point down here. Okay. So what I need to do now is to take 15 millimeters from here. 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters. So this 15 millimeters, I will transfer it to the other side. So transfer it to the other side. Then from this point here, from the point that we have here, I will draw a vertical line down like this. Okay. So then from this point, I'm going to draw a line in this direction like this, and I will also come here to draw a line in this direction like this. So I can join this together. I can just join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so you can see that the shape is coming out. You may not see it clearly. It is coming out little by little. Alright, so coming here now, so we want to bring out this shape here. That's what we want to bring out. That's what we are left with. So we have that distance from here to here is 15, and from here to here is 10. So what we need to do is to come to this front side here. So we come here. So we take 10 millimeters. So I think I've already taken that 10 millimeters. So we already have that 10 millimeters. So then I need to take, okay, it is 15 on this side. It is 15 millimeters on this side. So from this point, we take 15 millimeters to this side. Then we come here, we take 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. So from each of these points, so I will draw a vertical line down here like this. Come here, I will draw a vertical line down like this. Okay. So I'm going to transfer this to this side like this. Also, so this point I will transfer it to this side to meet this line. Okay, so then we have it down. So down here it is 10 millimeters. So we have 10. So I'll just take this to the front side like this. Then I will transfer it to meet this line here. Alright, so the shape is coming out. So I can make this a thick line at once. So let's begin to make it thick. So this is a thick line from here to here. And also, so by the time I join this together, so this is also a thick line from here to here. So so we have that in place. So I'll just make this a thick line at once. So this is also a thick line. So the lines are so many, so you have to be watchful. Okay, so you can see that the shape has come out, as you can see here. Alright, so we can see that. So the next thing is, so this line will be a thick line from here to here. So also we make this a thick line. So we also make this a thick line. And this will also be a thick line. Okay. Okay. So this line be a thick line from here to here. So this line will be a thick line. Okay, so then make this a thick line down here, and this line is a thick line from here to here. So this line also is a thick line from here to here. So I'll make this line a thick line from here to here, and this also will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, so you can see that the shape has come out. So what we need to do again here is to make the whole of this a thick line. Alright, so this line, so we also make it a thick line. Alright, so looking at what we have here, so this is how the shape will be. So we have assembled the part together. It's as simple as I've shown it here. All you need to do is to practice it. Thank you, and God bless you.